In the last tutorial, we install our Pocket Base, but if you open our backend folder, you will see that this kind of looks messy here. So we need to clean it up a bit. So we don't need the zip folder. So remove it. And we don't need this folder actually, as we already have the backend folder. So just select all of them and move them to left. And we can actually delete this empty folder now. So now it's kind of look good. Now you can also go to your backend folder and you can directly run the Pocket Base. Yeah, the server is actually running now. So that's it, and hopefully we'll start coding from the next video.